What if I told you that in just 1 month, doing one simple movement could completely change your body, your energy, your confidence, even the way you sleep at night? No equipment, no gym, no supplements. Just you, your floor, and a little commitment. Sounds too simple to be true, right? But that's exactly the beauty of it. Today, we're going to explore what really happens when you commit to just 30 push-ups a day for 30 days straight. It might sound easy, or maybe a little intimidating depending on where you're starting from. But stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see how this one small habit can unlock a transformation in your strength, your posture, your heart health, your metabolism, and even your mood. And here's the best part. You can start right now, wherever you are, no matter your fitness level. Let's be honest, if you haven't done a push-up since high school gym class, those first few days might feel rough. Your arms will burn, your chest might ache, and brushing your teeth might feel like a mini workout. That's soreness. It's not weakness, it's progress. It's your muscles waking up, shaking off the dust, and realizing they're needed again. Push-ups don't just work one area. They activate your chest, shoulders, triceps, back, and core all at once. That's a lot of muscle waking up, especially if you've been inactive for a while. But within the first few days, something amazing happens. Your form improves. The movement feels less awkward. You feel stronger. The burn turns into power. And every rep gets you closer to the stronger version of yourself. And then something else happens. Your posture starts changing. Most people don't realize this, but every time you hold a push-up position, your spine, glutes, and abdominal muscles are working together. It's like your body is learning to realign itself. If you spend hours hunched over a screen or working at a desk, this can be life-changing. Within 10 days, you might notice your shoulders don't slump as much. You're walking taller, standing straighter, feeling more balanced. It's subtle at first, but powerful. It makes you feel more confident just by changing the way you carry yourself around the 2-week mark. You'll start seeing something in the mirror. Real, visible definition. Your chest looks firmer. Your triceps look tighter. That area near your shoulders, it starts to pop. No, you won't turn into a bodybuilder, but you'll look stronger, healthier, and more toned than you did before. And you'll know you earned it without any machines, without a personal trainer, just with consistency. But here's the part many people don't expect. Push-ups build lean, functional strength. You're not lifting weights, you're lifting you. That means you're not bulking up. You're building usable muscle. It's the kind that helps you carry groceries without strain, play with your kids or grandkids without soreness, and just move through life feeling stronger. And as your strength improves, you'll probably find 30 push-ups don't feel as tough anymore. By week 3, many people feel inspired to do more. Maybe 35, maybe 40, because success builds momentum, and momentum builds results. Now, let's talk about your core. Most people think you need crunches or planks to build abs, but here's the secret. Push-ups are a hidden core workout. Every time you drop down, your abdominals, obliques, and lower back muscles are working hard to keep your spine aligned. That tight, engaged core becomes stronger with every rep, and you'll feel it. Better balance, less lower back pain, and yes, even some ab definition, all without a single crunch. And while your arms and abs are feeling stronger, something else is happening inside. Your heart is getting healthier. Push-ups may seem like a simple strength move, but they're actually a form of moderate intensity cardio. When you use multiple muscle groups at once, your heart rate climbs, your circulation improves, and your cardiovascular system gets a workout too. In fact, a Harvard study found that men who could do 40 push-ups had a 96% lower risk of heart-related issues than those who could do fewer than 10. That's not just impressive. It's life-changing. And here's where it gets even better. As you build more muscle, your metabolism shifts. muscle burns more calories than fat, even at rest. That means while you're sitting, working, or even sleeping, your body is burning more energy. So push-ups don't just help you during the workout, they help you long after it's over. Your body becomes a fat-burning machine, all thanks to your new muscle mass. This is how lasting change happens. But the transformation isn't just physical, it's mental too. Doing push-ups every day may sound like a physical challenge, but the real win is in your mindset. Every time you show up, even when you're tired, even when you don't feel like it, you're proving to yourself that you can be consistent, that you can keep a promise to yourself, that you're capable of change, and that kind of daily discipline. It spills over into everything. You might start eating better, sleeping more, drinking more water, because one good habit creates a ripple effect of positive choices. One small win becomes a string of victories, and suddenly you're not just stronger, you're more motivated than ever. But there's something even deeper happening. As you move your body, your brain releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that lift your mood, reduce stress, and boost mental clarity. Daily push-ups don't just build muscle, they build emotional strength. You'll notice your focus improves, your patience lengthens, your anxiety decreases. It's like a mini therapy session you can do anywhere. Feeling overwhelmed? Drop and do 10. Watch what happens to your mindset in just a few minutes. Now let's talk about something people often overlook: sleep. You've been tossing and turning at night, struggling to fall or stay asleep. Daily movement might be the solution. Push-ups use energy, regulate your internal clock, and balance hormones that affect sleep quality. You fall asleep faster, sleep more deeply, and wake up more refreshed. All from a few minutes of movement a day. And we're not done yet. Push-ups also help strengthen your bones. How? They're a weight-bearing exercise. That means every time you lower your body, your bones are gently stressed in a good way. That stress sends a signal to your body to build denser, stronger bones. As we age, bone loss becomes a real concern, especially in women. But regular push-ups help maintain bone density, especially in the arms, shoulders, and wrists. But maybe the most underrated benefit: joint health. When done correctly, push-ups don't damage joints, they protect them. They build the muscles that support your shoulders, elbows, and wrists. And with better support, your joints move more smoothly, with less pain and more control. The key is form elbows tucked, wrists neutral, back straight. Get that right, and your joints will thank you. And here's the final benefit that most people never think about: you become more athletic. Not in the Olympic sprinter kind of way, but in the functional, real-life kind of way. You move better. Your reaction time sharpens. Your coordination improves. You feel more in control of your body. Everyday tasks become easier, whether it's climbing stairs, carrying bags, or just getting off the floor. Your body works better, more efficiently, more powerfully. And you know what else might surprise you? People around you will notice. Your friends, family, even coworkers, they'll start seeing the difference. Maybe it's your posture. Maybe it's your arms. Maybe it's just your energy. And they'll ask, "What are you doing?" And you'll say, "Just 30 push-ups a day. That's it." And you might even inspire someone else to start, because change is contagious. And nothing motivates others like watching someone show up for themselves. So let's recap. After 30 days of push-ups, here's what changes. Your arms, chest, and shoulders look stronger. Your core becomes tighter. Your posture improves. Your metabolism speeds up. Your heart gets healthier. Your sleep improves. Your mood lifts. Your bones grow stronger. Your joints move more smoothly. Your confidence rises. And perhaps most importantly, you prove to yourself that you are capable of real lasting change. All of that from just one simple movement. No excuses, no memberships, no equipment. Just you and your floor. So what are you waiting for? Drop down and give us 30. Let this be your first rep toward something bigger. And if you can't do a full push-up yet, don't worry. Start with incline, push-ups, or on your knees. Everyone starts somewhere. Progress is progress, no matter how small. Just remember to warm up first. Even 5 minutes of arm circles and shoulder rolls can help. Keep your form solid. Don't rush. Focus on quality, not speed. And most importantly, stay consistent. Your body is ready. Your mind is willing. All that's left is for you to take that first step, or in this case, that first push. Because one small move repeated daily becomes a habit. And that habit can change everything, not just your body, but your life. So, are you ready? Your transformation starts right now, one push-up at a time.